Hey girl, I heard you were looking for a cute and easy hairstyle that still gives luxury, elegant, and classy. This has definitely been my go-to hairstyle whenever I need to extend my press and I'm not yet ready to wash it. I also love this hairstyle for days where I just want to look a little bit more put together, but I don't have the time or energy to do some full-on hairstyle. Now, currently my hair is straightened, so it does make it a little bit easier and quicker to do this hairstyle, but do not be discouraged if your hair is not straight because this hairstyle does work for all hair types. Now, before I break it down and show you how to achieve this style on your own, here is everything that you're going to need before we get started. The easiest way to do this hairstyle is to use these jumbo hairpins, but if you have a French pin, those work as well. You also need some regular bobby pins, a boar bristle hairbrush, potentially some hairspray, and if you're doing a bang, a mini flat iron. Now, I will be doing this French twist with a front curl bang, so what I'm going to do before I even do the French twist is go ahead and part out my bang and put that to the side so it's out of the way. And for the French twist, what you first want to do is make sure that all of your hair is smoothed back. Now, your hair doesn't have to be super straight for this hairstyle, but you do want it to all be smoothed back as if you are putting your hair into a ponytail. Once you have your hair in that ponytail position, instead of wrapping it with a hair tie, you're going to wrap the hair around your fingers and keep it tucked underneath one side. Now, if you have longer hair, you can do this with 2 fingers. If you have shorter hair, it might be a lot easier to do it with 1 finger. Here I'm showing you how to do this step once again in slow motion. Once you get this step down, you're essentially wrapping the hair around your fingers and then tucking it. It's that simple, and it does take a couple tries to really get it down pat, but once you get it, it's very easy to do. Now, to secure that twist, you're going to take a large hairpin or a French pin and you're going to push it up and then down into the French pin. And as you can see with that one pin, it is pretty secure, but I like to make sure that my French twist is extra secure because I'll be moving around a lot, so I go in and I add extra pins just for extra security. And you want to make sure that you're not just sticking the pins in, but that you're actually tucking them into the hair, sort of in like a swooping motion. And now I'm going to go in with my mini flat iron and simply curl my front bang, and that is it. That's all it takes for this hairstyle. Very simple and easy. And there are so many different ways that you can do this. Like I said, if you have curly hair, you can do this with curly hair. You can slick down your edges. You could do different bangs in the front or in the back. You could do this half up, half down. It's such a versatile hairstyle. Now see, wasn't that easy? I told you it would be. Now, I did not get this 100% perfect on my first try. You may or may not, it depends on you. But if you don't stress it. It definitely requires a little bit of practice to sort of get the hang of it. But once you do, you'll be able to do so many different hairstyles. You can do this style with a bang or no bang, 2 bangs. You can do this style half up, half down. There are so many different ways that you can wear this hairstyle. You can even slick your baby hairs or however you like to do it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're wanting to learn more hairstyles and tips, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Comment down below what hairstyle you'd love to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.